Wondering how this text style is integrated in the latest designs? I did too. Let me show you how it's done. Head to Canva. Type the text you want in the design. Edit it, configure it to your liking. Keep in mind, it won't be editable later on, as we will be downloading it as a PNG with removed background. Import the image. Head to Edit Image and Liquify effect. Choose any style you want and set the intensity how you like it. That's it. This effect is a good way to add flair to your next creation, be it a poster, an Instagram carousel, post, business card, greeting card, anything. Thank you for watching and keep learning. Like or dislike the video. Thank you.